A floodlight emitting 28,000 candelas in the center of its beam aimed 60 degrees to a point on the ground 20 meters away. So this is 20 meters away, naka-aim siya at 60 degrees. So ano yung formula natin dito in solving for the illumination? That is I over D square cosine theta. The I is 28,000. Yung D natin is 20 raised to 2. And then cosine 60. So 28,000 over 20 raised to 2. Tapos cosine 60. So 35 lakhs. So 35 lang yung answer natin dito. Eksakto yan. Wala nang iba. Number 39. A 40 watt fluorescent lamp 120 centimeters long produces 3,200 lumens of light in a room having general dimensions of 10 feet by 20 feet. Find the luminance if the reflectance factor of the wall is 40%. So solving for the illumination, diba, that is flux over area. Kung merong CU and kung merong maintenance factor, minumultiply din natin. So ganun din naman kapag merong reflectance factor. So ang given lumens sa atin is 3,200. The area naman is 10 feet by 20 feet. And then i-times natin yung reflectance factor na 0.4 or yung 40%. So yung answer natin dito is lumens per square feet or the FC. So 3,200, 10 times 20, and then times natin sa 0.4. So ang answer dito is 6.4. 6.4 lumens per square feet or 6.4 foot candles. Ang nasa choices natin, foot lumbers. So mag-try tayo ng conversion factor dito. So in 1 foot lumber, there are 1 over pi foot candle. So 1 foot lumber is equal to 1 over pi foot candle. So tingnan natin yung answer natin dito pagdating sa foot lumber. So yung 6.4, i-times natin ng pi. Diba? Ganyan yan. Ang answer here is 20.11. 20.11 foot lumbers. So wala. Pero meron tayo nakitang 6.4 dito. So i-answer na natin si letter A and let us troubleshoot this as foot candles. Number 40. The purpose of coating the fluorescent tube from inside with white phosphor powder is, ito yon, absorbs ultraviolet radiation and fluoresce. So para makapag-absorb pa, di ba? Tama ba? To increase the light radiations due to secondary emission. Kasi mag-a-absorb. Kung i-absorb yan ng powder, to increase the light radiations due to secondary emission. So basta ayan yung answer. Next, number 41. A 20 by 40 meter office is to be illuminated with double lamp fixtures. The required intensity level is 60 foot candle. The maintenance factor is 0.75. The coefficient of utilization 0.65. Each fluorescent lamp consumes 53 watts at 75% and emits 3,300 lumens. The power supply is 230 volts 3-phase. What is the current of the feeder circuit? So, kailangan nating makuha what is the number of lamps. Tama ba? So, how many lamps are there? So, kunin ulit natin yon sa illumination kasi may binanggit ulit dyan ng mga factor, di ba? I-times natin yung CU and the maintenance factor. Ang required intensity level of the illumination is 60 foot candle. So, 60 lumens per foot square. Yung flux natin binigay as 3,300 lumens. Take note, sabi dyan, each fluorescent lamp. Kaya this is per lamp. So ngayon, may binigay din dito. Sige, kunin na lang natin how many lamps. So mag-multiply tayo ngayon, ilan yung lamps. Para kapag nakuha na natin ilan yung lamps, ito times lang natin sa 53, di ba? Para maging total power. And then the area, ingat tayo dito, 20 by 40 square meter. Ang illumination natin over square foot. So mag-multiply tayo ng conversion factor. So 1 over 3.281 feet. Baliktad. So in 1 meter sa baba, there are 3.281 feet. So square natin yan. And then i-multiply natin yung coefficient of utilization and the maintenance factor. So masasolve natin dito yung number of lamps. The number of lamps na yung masasolve natin dito. That is 60 times 20 times 40 times 3.281 square. Divide natin yung 3,300. Divide 0.65 and then divide 0.75. So 321.2. 321.2. And di ba kapag may sobra, kinukuha na natin kagad yung kasunod na isang buo. Kasi we are dealing with physical quantities. So meron tayong 322 lamps. Therefore, solving for the total power, dahil merong 53 watts ang kada isang lamp, i-multiply natin ngayon yung 322 na lamps. So 53 times 322, 17,066 watts. And at 3 phase, the power is square root of 3 VI PF. Solve natin ngayon yung current. So that will be the power, 17,066. Divide natin yung voltage. Yung square root of 3, also the voltage na 230 and the power factor na 0.75. So solving for the current, 17,066. Ano ba answer? So yung answer natin, divide natin by square root of 3 by 230 by 0.75. 57.12. The letter C. Number 42. The illumination of a room is being designed. The illumination intensity required is 20 foot candle. The maintenance factor is 0.8. The coefficient of utilization is 0.6. And then the area of the room is given. So direct substitution, tinatanong yung flux. So flux over area, i-times natin yung CU and the maintenance factor. Ang required is 20 lumens per square foot. That is the foot candle. We are looking for the flux. The area is 20 by 15 feet square. The coefficient of utilization is 0.6. And then the maintenance factor is 0.8. So ganyan kadali ang problem. So 20 by 20 by 15 over 0.6 over 0.8. This will be in lumens, 12,500. Next, number 43. How far from a 150 candela light source would a picture have to be placed as to receive the same illumination as when it placed 12 meters from 82.3 candela light source? So kahit na ganito na lang, di ba, kailangan daw yung illumination number 2 kaparehas na yung illumination number 1. Sa illumination number 2 natin, meron tayong 150 over the unknown distance raised to 2. And ang illumination number 1 natin, ang candela natin na source is 82.3 and ang distance niya is 12 raised to 2. So makukuha na natin agad what is the value of this x. So square root of 150 times 12 raised to 2 and then divided by 82.3. So 16.2 meters. Number 44. The luminous intensity of lamp is expressed in candela. Number 45, it is the unit of illumination when centimeter is taken as a unit of length. So from our lecture, this is watt. Next, number 46. The luminous flux emitted in unit solid angle by a uniform point source having luminous intensity of 1 candela is called, ano ba ang unit ng luminous flux? Iba lumens. And then number 47, light burning hours of a typical 40 watt fluorescent lamp from our objective book, that is letter A. Next, number 48. So uniform level of illumination on the work plane, that is general, di ba? From our explanation kanina, na-explain yan, yung general lighting system. So last 2 questions na lang, 1 solving, and then 1 objective. Dito tayo sa number 49. So meron ulit tayong 4 lamp suspended 6 meters above the ground at the corners of a lawn 4 meters on each side. So if the lamp emits 250 candela, calculate the illumination at the center of the lawn. Sige. So this is the box. And sa box natin, nandito yung 4 na lamps. So yung 4 na lamps na yan, if we are going to find the illumination ulit sa center, yung height niyan ng isang lamp, so consider na lang ulit natin yung isang lamp, meron siyang height. So merong height ang lamp natin na 6 meters. So 6 meters. Yung lawn natin is 2 meters. So, di ba kung i-connect ulit natin to para ma-create natin yung 2D figure, wherein this is our D, ito yung 2, kakalahatiin natin, so ito ay magiging 1, ito din naman ay magiging 1. So, using the 2D figure, na kung saan solving for the E, that is IH over D square, plus h raised to 2 raised to 3 halves. Kunin natin ngayon yung D. So ulitin lang natin, di ba yung D kasi na sinosolve natin dito sa 2D figure, na-create pa rin yan using the triangle. So sa right triangle natin, D square is 1 square plus 1 square. So kunin na natin ngayon yung E natin. I-times natin ngayon sa 4, kasi 4 na ilaw yan. Yung intensity ng isang lamp is 250. So that is 250. Yung height naman ay 6. I-divide natin yung D, which is 1 square plus 1 square. Ayan yung D square natin. kasama yung h square na 6 raised to 2 and then raised to 3 halves. So this will be in lakhs. So 4 times 250 times 6, tapos 1 plus 1 plus 36 raised to 3 halves. 25.56 or 25.61. 25.61. So mayroon tayong ano dito, mali. So ito. So ang side ng ating room or nung lawn natin is 4x4. Kaya yung kalahati pala dapat is 2 and 2. Palitan natin ng 2 yung mga 1. So this will be 2 tsaka 2. So 2 and then, 2 raised to 2 na to niyan. Tsaka 2 raised to 2 din to. 20.56. 20.56 lakhs. Next, number 50. The polar graph representing variation in candle power of illumination is this one.